The Sonatra scam, a Republic TV news break, and the details of which we've been getting you over the last few days, from taking money from China to Choksi, even Mehul Choksi, the fugitive, who was a donor at the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Details and the rot is emerging. Even funds from the Prime Minister's Relief Fund were transferred to the Rajiv Foundation. Different ministries, public sector units, public sector banks, large corporates, and the questions are piling up. Here's what the BJP asked the Congress this evening. 10 questions being fired, no answers given so far.
आपने बड़ा हल्ला किया, बहुत हल्ला किया मोहिल चोकसी के बारे में। गले फाड़ फाड़ कर मोहिल चोकसी की बात की आपने, जोर जोर से बात की। और ये जो हमारे शहंशाह है, शाही शहंशाह, इन्होंने भद्दे शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करते हुए शब्दों की भी गरिमा नहीं रखी। मैंने उस दिन भी कहा था कि शब्दों के चयन से परिवार के संस्कार का पता चलता है। वी कम टू नो अबाउट द ट्रेडिशन, अबाउट द फैमिलीज ट्रेडिशन, बट विच टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज दे यूज्ड फॉर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर वी ऑल नो। कैसे शब्द इस्तेमाल किए। लेकिन मैं यहां, मेरा अंतिम प्रश्न, 10वां प्रश्न है कि मोहिल चौकसी से आपने राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन में पैसा क्यों लिया, और आपने मोहिल चौकसी को लोन क्यों दिया, और यह सब करने के बाद बदनाम करने के लिए हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री पर आरोप लगाते हो। देश जानना चाहता है कि मोहिल चौकसी से राजीव गांधी फाउंडेशन का क्या संबंध है, और आपने उसको लोन देने में किस किस प्रकार से मदद की है, यह देश जानना चाहता है। मित्रों, ये हाथी के दांत दिखाने के और हैं और खाने के और हैं। ये राजनीति लंबे समय तक आरोपित करके जिस तरीके से इन्होंने की है, भारत की जनता जाग चुकी है। मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में राजनीति की संस्कृति बदल चुकी है। कांग्रेस एंड करप्शन आर सिनोनिम टू ईच अदर। वह जा चुका है। आज सेवा भाव से भारत का विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका साथ लेकर के चलने की बात है। और मैं रीइटरेट करता हूं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के दृष्टि से, हैसियत से, कि हमारी पार्टी यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के सारे कार्यक्रमों से पूरी ताकत से जनता तक पहुंचाएगी और विकास में अपना पूरा योगदान करेगी, और भारत की तस्वीर बदलने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेगी। और साथ ही साथ ये दोहरे चेहरे रखने वाले राजनेताओं को भी पर्दाफाश करने में हम कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ेंगे। हम इस बात को आपके सामने कहना चाहते हैं। आपने मेरी बात सुनी है, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। देश से जो उठाए मैंने प्रश्न है, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी इस पर जवाब देने की हिम्मत करेगी। मैं चाहूंगा कि वह जरूर करें प्रजातंत्र के अंदर।
Okay, let's go across to our panelists joining us this evening as we look at those 10 questions and the different news breaks that we've also put out in the course of the last few days. I have Sudesh Verma, who's a spokesperson of the BJP, joining us live from New Delhi. Ajay Kumar, a spokesperson of the LJP, also live from the national capital. Chetan Singh, a political analyst, live with us this evening. And Professor K. Nageshwar, who's a political analyst, who's joining us live from Hyderabad this evening. Professor Nageshwar, speaking to you after a long time, let me take you with Sudesh Verma. Since the questions are coming towards the Congress party, and I know you don't lean towards any particular party, I'd like to ask you that question first. Now, Professor Nageshwar, do you think Congress owes an answer on the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation and the details that are emerging of the kind of funding that came in, not just from China, but also people like Mehul Choksi, and the kind of fund diversion that we saw from different ministries, and including the Prime Minister's Relief Fund in under the UPA government? Professor Nageshwar, and then Sudesh Verma can respond.
When an allegation is made against it by a political rival, the Congress has to certainly answer for it. There's absolutely no doubt about it. But my simple question is, in the last 2 days, the Republic World was exposing the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Well, what prevented Prime Minister Modi and Amit Shah from banning the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Instead of this political cacophony and this political slugfest, which doesn't lead the nation anywhere, they should have better banned the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Forget about banning it. Why did the Home Minister order a criminal investigation on the murky dealings of Rajiv Gandhi Foundation?
Yeah.
I am sure the BJP is not interested in bringing justice to the nation. They are only interested in diverting the attention from the people from the rising petroleum prices for the 21st day. They want to divert the attention from the ever increasing corona cases. They want to divert the attention from the collapsing economy. They want to divert the attention from the failures on the Indo-China border. So the nation will be benefited more from asking these questions rather than a political slugfest which doesn't yield anything. Ultimately doesn't yield anything. I'm telling
got
you,
your point.
After 3-4 days, everybody will forget, Republic TV will forget, and everything go.
Yeah.
As usual it happens. The nation will benefit if we discuss why petroleum prices are
Professor
increasing.
Nageshwar,
The nation will benefit why
1 second.
Prime Minister Modi says China
Just-
has not intruded into India.
I got
the
your
nation
point.
will benefit why the cases are rising. The nation
I
will
got your
benefit
point.
why the economy, how to save the economy from the minus 5% growth rate.
No, this is not about. No, 1 second, Professor Nageshwar. This is not about. I'm not getting into economy and petrol prices and all of that. That's another debate, and we have been covering that on a daily basis here on Republic TV. Let me go across and ask that question to Sudesh Sharma, because you made
were
one
never
point
debating it. You were
about
never
the
debating
investigation
it.
aspect, which
I have
we
been
also
observing,
feel.
you were never debating it. The nation
No,
wants
we
to
are
know
covering
why
it
the
now.
petrol
Now,
prices
Mr.
are
Nageshwar,
increasing
you
for the
please,
21st
please.
day. The nation
Yes.
wants to know why the domestic
Yes, Sudesh
petrol
Sharma,
and the
please answer those
diesel
questions.
is increasing when the global prices are at
Sudesh
$35
Sharma.
per barrel.
No, this is not a debate about petrol.
No,
Nageshwar,
the
please,
Prime
Mr.
Minister
Nageshwar,
said China
you
is
accuse
not
you accuse them of deflecting. You're deflecting on the debate. 1 second. Don't deflect from the debate. Don't deflect.
Have the patience to listen
No,
to
1
me.
second.
You are
Professor
asking
Nageshwar, don't
questions,
deflect.
not
We'll debate that
giving
later.
the
Hold on.
answer.
Calm down. Don't deflect. Don't
Kindly
deflect.
listen to the answer also.
Oh
my
God,
dear
Nageshwar,
gentleman.
Professor Nageshwar, don't
Kindly
deflect from the debate.
Listen
Okay.
to the answer also.
Sudesh
Maybe
Verma.
my answer will
Sudesh
satisfy
Verma,
you.
yeah.
I'm sure. If you are an independent
Yeah.
analyst, my answer will cut an ice with you. You see, we have participated in debate, whether it is on corona, whether it is on petrol price. If you were not there, I'll request the Public TV to invite you on those debates where our spokespersons participate openly. We have nothing to be shy of. What is happening like an open
No, this is
book,
not about
you know.
that. Please,
But
let's
when-
talk about the investigation.
When we raise the
Well, you are
issue
increasing the
of
prices
Rajiv
every
Gandhi
day.
Foundation,
There's a debate every day.
Jessica, again you have started, you don't want to listen. I'm answering your question. Kindly have the patience to listen. You see, when the chicanery, when the fraud committed by Congress in RGF is being exposed, why is this a problem with you? You see, that time the Prime Minister was a member of RGF. Mr. Chidambaram also, many ministers were a member of the RGF. And these people actually use RGF as a front to get bribe money. You are bribed by China to speak their language, to give them free trade. You have used the money funded by PSUs to bribe. You have used Mehul Chokski's money as bribe to give him loan. And then when the time goes, you say
No,
that
one second, Sudesh Verma, Sudesh
Modi
Verma.
is responsible and all that. You are accountable to people. You cannot hide behind the fact that we are fighting a battle with China. That we'll deal with. That battle we are not going to let down.
No.
The country will witness
1 second,
that.
1 second.
But
Sudesh
what
Verma,
about these
Sudesh
things?
Verma,
You have
Sudesh
to
Verma,
explain.
Sudesh Verma.
You have to
Yeah.
come with answers to people. These are
Yeah.
not allegations.
No,
These are
I'll
charges
tell you.
based on
Sudesh
documents.
Verma, there is a problem. No, 1 second, Sudesh Verma.
Let there be a criminal investigation.
Okay, Sudesh Verma
Congress will be
and
forced to
Professor
answer.
Nageshwar.
They
Yeah.
won't come to
Are you
Republic.
indulging in
Hold on to your
corruption? You
horse.
want
1 second.
investigation?
Professor
There will be
Nageshwar.
one.
No,
If you
1
are
second.
indulging in corruption, there will be
No, no.
investigation.
To a court of law.
But
They
that
will
is
be
not for the
compelled
party
to
to
answer.
decide.
They will not come
That
to
is for the
Republic
government to
TV
decide.
answer you.
I am speaking on behalf of the party. Everything should come
Why
head
don't
to
No,
head.
no,
they
1
take
second.
action on
Chetan
them?
Singh, I want to bring in Chetan Singh and Ajay Kumar. Ajay Kumar and Chetan Singh. Professor Nageshwar, I gave you your time to speak. Professor Nageshwar, you spoke, and I'm glad you spoke. And Sudesh Verma has also spoken. Please give other panelists a chance to speak, because I'm holding this democratic debate, and I want to bring in my other two panelists, Ajay Kumar and Chetan Singh. Chetan Singh leans towards the opposition, rather questions the government on most issues, so I'd like to ask this question to him. Chetan Singh, Chidambaram in his tweet this morning has acknowledged the fact that Prime Minister's National Relief Fund money was diverted to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation, which is a private body, a private trust run by the Gandhi family. Do you think the Congress owes an explanation, not just for the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, also for Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Child Development, Ministry of different public sector units, public sector banks. In some case, Ministry of Human Resource Development has also transferred money or donated to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. So do you think that they owe an explanation?
See, first we need to understand, when you're going to talk about the explanation, see, the entire country knows now that this is a diabolical game of deception. The way the ruling dispensation is putting their wrong foot forward, I'm going to say the wrong foot forward, at this given point of time, because the Chinese, to divert the attention of the people from the Chinese occupation which has already taken place. So having said this, it is important to discuss on the right issues, the pertinent issues, the contemporary issues first. Second most important point, what kind of a trend and patterns are coming up here in our country?
Is this not
there are a number of questions which need to be asked.
Chetan, is this not pertinent to you?
Setup, as you said, just give me 5 more seconds. Look. In a democratic setup, the opposition has got all the rights to ask questions, but the answer to the question is always a question. Answer to the question is always a riddle. So why to come up with this kind of confusion? See, right now, it is a time that all these parties, whether opposition, whether ruling disposed, they have to come together, use their intelligence, and need to ensure this enemy which is standing in our threshold, which is giving us pain, and which has already given the pain to mothers, 20 mothers, brothers, sisters, wives and all. So it's a time to get this account settled right now.
I'm very happy you said that, Chetan. I'm very happy you said that. Now, I'm very happy that you said that they should come together, and you will also, as an independent political analyst, Chetan, as an independent political analyst. I haven't completed. Just calm down, Chetan. I'm completing my point. Why are you in such a hurry? I'm saying I'm happy that you said that because I'm glad that you've realized that parties have been on different pages and they've tried to politicize by your own admission. And just to give you some breaking news on Republic TV a few minutes back, let me quote Sharad Pawar. This is to both Professor Nageshwar and you, because you call it a game of deflection. Who started this politics? It's important to ask that question. Sharad Pawar said, and I quote, "We can't forget what happened in 1962 when China occupied 45,000 square kilometers of our territory. At present, I don't know if they occupied any land. But while discussing this, we need to remember the past. We need to remember the past. National security matters should not be politicized." This is Sharad Pawar, an alliance of the Congress Party, chief of the NCP. One second, calm down. You've spoken, Chetan. I want Ajay Kumar to come in. Ajay Kumar. No, don't divert. We didn't start this debate. We did not start this debate. We did not start this debate. Ajay Kumar is responding to you.
No, I'm not diverting. I'm just giving you a fact. You talk about 62. You should also talk about 67. 67 when in 71 war,
Chetan, now listen. Please, Chetan, now listen. This is your problem.
Don't divert.
Arre, now listen.
Ajay, let Ajay respond.
Now listen. You are alleging. Yeah, see, this doesn't amount any debate because their face and character is well known before the nation. It's just not the Sharad Pawar what is showing. What has happened in the case of Permanent Security Council seat? What was the role of the Congress government? After 34 years, Rajiv Gandhi visited China. He was the Prime Minister who visited China, who opened the door of trade and commerce with the China, who signed a secret deal with the Communist Party of China and the Congress Party of India. So their character is well known. And now, on the issue of national interest and security, you are alleging army, you are raising question against the Prime Minister of India, and you are saying we are diverting the attention and taking action. Taking action against criminals, taking against the crime. if
The
it is...
12 lakh army has been there from 1947.
Why you interrupt
and we
Mr.
know from
Chetan?
1947 what kind of
Chetan and
economic
Ajay.
condition India
What?
had. So therefore,
Chetan, don't interrupt him.
please, the
Chetan,
army
he did
doesn't
not
belong to
interrupt.
any
One
particular
second.
party.
No, one sec, Chetan, please don't interrupt. This is, I told you, I want to give everybody equal time. Please don't interrupt.
Why
Ajay
don't
was
you listen?
just making his point. Ajay, conclude your point. I'll give you 10 more seconds, conclude your point.
Yeah,
Conclude your point, Ajay.
I'm just saying, चेतन के एटीट्यूड से ये साफ है, ये करें तो हम रासलीला और हम जांच करें तो करेक्टर ढीला। राष्ट्र के सवाल पे, अस्मिता पे सवाल उठा रहे हैं ये, और इतनी यहाँ पे शिद्दत नहीं है कि बात को सुन सके। नागेश्वर राय wants action. When we are taking action for Chetan, it becomes diverting the attention. See, this is their role.
No, let me
What
go across.
more-
Let me get
what
back
more
to
is to be
Nageshwar. Let me
told?
get Professor Nageshwar
Entire
once again into the
nation.
debate. Hold on, Ajay and Chetan, pull back. Ajay and Chetan, pull back. I want to bring in Professor Nageshwar and Sudesh Verma once again. No, Chetan, just calm down. I want to bring back Professor Nageshwar and Sudesh Verma because I haven't asked my question. I have not asked my question, Professor Nageshwar. Let me ask a question and then you can answer. Calm down. Professor Nageshwar, I want to ask you a question. And I'm only asking you a hypothetical question, and let's be objective. Please don't say I'm deflecting or anybody is deflecting. I'm asking you as a panelist today on this show, if the subject was reversed, if God forbid, if there was a report of X amount of money being transferred from PM Cares to a private trust run by anybody else, would you have stayed quiet? I don't know the exact amount, but if there has been money transferred and the Congress has admitted money transferred from the Prime Minister's relief fund to a private body, how are you letting that pass, Professor Nageshwar? Don't you think it's a valid question to ask and for the Congress to answer? Can you imagine the furor if it was the other way around? It's not a scandal for you, Professor Nageshwar?
Any transfer of money from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation is absolutely unacceptable. Any acceptance of donation from the government of China is unwarranted. There is no doubt about it. My question is simple. You talked about Robert Vadra
Mehul
DLF.
Choksi.
Nothing happened.
What about
No,
Mehul Choksi?
this government did not do anything. You talked about National Herald. Nothing happened. You talked about 2G spectrum. Nothing happened. You talked about Commonwealth Games. Nothing happened. You talked about Aadharsh Society. Nothing happened. You talk about many things, but nothing happens. So, is there a secret deal between BJP and Congress? We will play the political slugfest. We will not harm you. You do not harm us.
No, that's a very valid
but
point.
Both of us will play this
valid
game.
point.
What this nonsense is?
Valid point. Yeah, Sudesh, answer that question.
Should I
He's got a
tell
very
you many
valid
more
point.
things?
You always,
There are whole
he's
nothing
right about
happened.
that. He's right about
Nothing
that.
happened.
Professor Nageshwar is right.
Arre,
Are you going to follow it up?
Spectrums come. Nothing
Now,
happened.
are you going to follow up? You asked 10
Nothing
questions in the news conference. Are you going to follow up?
Telling you.
Ridiculous.
That
Professor
is
Nageshwar, let him answer.
correct to
To
ask
ask
Sonia
questions
Gandhi and
from us.
Robert Vadra.
We don't run the
That's the
judiciary.
government
We
of
don't
correct
run the
to
legal
ban
system.
No.
The legal system will work as it has been working.
Let him answer, Professor Nageshwar. Professor Nageshwar, you made your point.
Tell me. But
you've made your point.
Ministry ordering an
Give him a chance. Give him.
The Prime Minister of the country then.
Professor Nageshwar, give him a chance. You asked a good question. Let him answer.
Who at a plenary session of the Congress said that Caesar's wife has to be above suspicion. How was he a member of the RGF when RGF had become a front for taking bribe, whether it was from China to felicitate trade, whether it was from corporate bodies to give them contracts, and whether it was from Mehul Choksi to give him loan, from Luxembourg, tax haven countries, PSUs run by ministers.
Shouting.
It was a front for all this bribe money. So how is he a member of this? Caesar's wife has to be above suspicion, isn't it? So you have shown that you can be in power, influence people to give money as bribe in Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. That will fund Rajiv Gandhi Charitable Trust. That will fund Christian missionaries to carry out their activities. What is the change?
Okay.
You are acting against national interests. You are taking money from all sources.
Sudesh Verma, 1 second. Sudesh Verma and Professor Nageshwar. Okay, pull back. Professor Nageshwar and okay, I have 3 to 4 minutes. Professor Nageshwar and Sudesh Verma, pull back. Both of you made your point. I want to bring in Ajay Kumar and Chetan Singh because I have only about 2 or 3 minutes. Chetan, I'm going to give you 1 minute and then Ajay Kumar 1 minute. So please don't waste time and don't try and heckle Ajay Kumar when he makes his point.
These are why facts to be above suspicion. नागेश्वर जी, intellectual साहब, आपकी intellect खत्म हो गई.
Okay.
इसकी बात आती. You have forgotten what is right, what is wrong.
1 second. Okay, you know what? Sudesh Verma and Professor Nageshwar pull back. Professor Nageshwar asked a valid question and we will continue to ask you, Sudesh, about what you do as a follow-up to this one. Let me go across to Chetan Singh as well.
He will never answer
Chetan
my
Singh,
question, I'm telling you. He will
have you seen the kind of,
Because they are only interested in scoring brownie
We are not
points.
running
Chetan
the
Singh,
judiciary. We don't run the legal system.
Yeah,
Now-
please go ahead.
okay.
What is the problem
Now, 1
in
second,
ordering
hold
an
on.
investigation?
Okay, Chetan
What is the
Singh.
problem in
Investigation
suspending
is
the
already happening in the world.
Professor Nageshwar, let others speak. No, it's okay, it's fine. You asked him the question. You are okay. Sudesh Verma, pull back.
Why are you
Forgot
only
about it.
interested
Professor
in
Nageshwar, you asked a
shouting in
question.
the television studio?
Abhi ho gaya. Okay,
Look.
let others speak. Okay, 1 second. Sudesh, pull back, please. There are 2 more panelists, and it's not fair that I don't give them time to speak. Please hold on. Chetan Singh and Ajay Kumar. Chetan, do you back all of the money that is coming to the Rajiv Gandhi Foundation? Do you think it's not something?
See,
No. Question is to Chetan Singh, and I want Ajay Kumar to respond. I want Chetan Singh to respond because he said this is politics. We should stop politicizing. We should come together, etc. Who started the politics?
correct. All right. So now you look at
Who started
we are
it, Chetan?
very good lawyer for our own
Sharad Pawar also is honest
and
this
become
evening.
a
Why
very
don't
good
you?
judge for
No,
others'
even
mistake.
Sharad Pawar is
You know,
realized. So why don't you be honest and say who started it?
See, Sharad Pawar. See, listen. What Sharad Pawar ji has said. Sharad Pawar ji has said of 1962. See, absolutely, that was an unpleasant experience.
Oh God!
For us.
You want me to
At
read out the
single
quote?
point
You want me
of
to
time in
waste 30 seconds on this debate?
1967,
You want me to waste
given a
34 seconds and
befitting
tell you what Sharad
response.
Pawar
We have given
said?
a befitting
No,
response. Befitting response because of this response in 1971 China could not support at all to Pakistan, and we have seen how India has created history. And now second point out here, look, you know what is important once this
you reply on
Churchill has
Sharad
also
Pawar's
said that
statement.
categorically.
Don't
Because
divert.
the idea of free speech
Come
for some
on,
people is
straight
that
on
they
the
can
point,
say whatever
Mr.
they feel
Chetan.
like. But if anybody says back, then it becomes outrage.
Come
so
on,
look
as per
out here.
point.
Look out at this
Point,
outrage response is
point.
what we can see from him.
Congress being isolated.
Sir, just allow me 20 seconds
Okay.
and respond back to you. Sir, you tell me in all these committees, the
Yes,
Rajiv
come
Gandhi
on,
Foundation
point. You
committee,
take my
they
time
all
also,
have a
no
process.
problem.
They all have process in place, and you know, under the registrar of the company, they all have to
No,
record.
Chetan,
their
let
books.
Ajay speak.
And I'm
Ajay
sure
Kumar.
whenever the time is going to come, they're going
Ajay
to.
Kumar, no, you can't go around. You
That's
can't
the
beat
reason
around the
the
bush.
entire clarification
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Can't beat around the bush.
their side also.
Chetan, you got to be succinct. Come on, man. You got to be brief.
What it appears,
Ajay Kumar,
what
brief.
it appears,
Ajay Kumar.
once the document is going to be there in the court,
One thing
in the
is
with the
very
investigation
clear.
agency, I am sure
One
everything
thing
is
is
going to
Chetan,
be
you got to let him speak,
crystal
man.
clear.
Chetan, you got to let him
have
speak.
no
It's not
answer.
fair. It's not fair.
Thing is very
Chetan, don't heckle
clear.
him. Don't heckle him. Let him speak. Let him speak, Chetan. You've made your point. Yeah. Ajay Kumar, respond. You have 30 seconds.
Yeah,
Go on.
the Congress today stand isolated. Yeah, a Congress stand isolated. It is Mayawati to Mamta to Sharad Pawar to Samajwadi Party. Nobody is with them. The second issue, Professor Nageshwar, take out pen and paper. Note down the action by our government. Others scam action. Chidambaram on bail. Sonia Gandhi on bail. Mehul Choksi on run. Scamesters brought from Dubai. Scamesters brought from Britain. Vijay Mallya on the way. When we take action, you say all this political motivated at the time of election. And rest assured,
Okay, I'm running out of time.
rest assured, nobody
Nageshwar.
will be left.
Okay.
Rest
Pull back.
assured,
Time's up.
nobody will
Time's
be
up.
left.
Time's up. Time's up. Time's up.
Action
Time's up.
will be
I think
taken
time's up.
against the
Have to take a short
criminals.
break.
Media should ask questions.
Let's see where it goes. Let's see where the story goes. We haven't received a response. We're also hoping Apart from an admission, Professor Nageshwar, Chetan, Ajay and Sudesh, apart from an admission by P. Chidambaram that they did take money from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund, there hasn't been a response this evening to those 10 questions. We'll take a short break at this point, but I thank you gentlemen for joining me on the debate this evening on the biggest story tonight. We'll take a short break and we're looking at the story that's coming in from Tuticorin or Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. Stay tuned.